Diljit Dosanjh's period thriller Satlaj, which released directly on ZEE5 without any promotion, has been taken down from the platform in under 48 hours. Co-producer RSVP Movies confirmed to Screen that the removal was not a technical glitch, but a deliberate call, with a spokesperson stating the government has pulled it down, while adding that the film would hopefully return soon. Strangely enough, Diljit had a feeling this was coming. In an Instagram live, a day after release, he told fans that the film could be pulled down by Monday and urged them to watch it while they still could. He was right about the takedown, but wrong about the timeline. Satlaj was pulled on Sunday itself, a day earlier than even he expected. This wasn't Satlaj's first brush with censorship. Previously titled Punjab 95, the film spent 3 years fighting the CBFC, which demanded 127 cuts, including a title change and the removal of every reference to Punjab. It was even forced to withdraw from its Toronto International Film Festival premiere in 2023, despite not needing CBFC certification for the festival circuit. ZEE5, meanwhile, issued its own statement, saying the film would remain unavailable in India until further notice, while they explore every appropriate avenue through due process to bring it back. In the meantime, pirated versions of Satlaj have already begun circulating online, ensuring the story Diljit wanted told is being watched anyway, just not the way anyone planned.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic Screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as a more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.